It's like walking through a gauntlet. This is like super horrifying. I'm gonna try not to cry this time. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a million birds coming from every direction. And I'm just gonna face forward. I'm not gonna look left or right because they're everywhere. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay, I shouldn't have looked right, I shouldn't have looked right. Oh my god, it's like it's raining birds. What the hell? Fucked up, fucked up, fucked up. That one came close. I almost died just now.